Right, so today, as you see, Clubhouse making good progress on there. We've got all the roofing material, so we'll be starting that in a couple of weeks' time. All the external cladding's on. We've done 3 coats of saddling on that. Got some fireproof coatings to go on. So today, Bob's carrying on with the drainage, fitting security grills, and we've just fitted our first roller shutter door, which is going to be one of the main entrance. So hopefully, this will be our new entrance to the clubhouse. So there we go, so just 4 more to do now. So thanks for all the volunteers that have come down to date. More volunteers required. Once we get the roof on, there's going to be a lot of work to do inside, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Not very effectively. It'll make it sepia and music over the top. Slow motion. This is how quick they're working.
Have we got enough bods on the coast? Ding dang do.